This woman was about to depart in her car when the dog approached her and began barking. She assumed it was just another hungry stray dog, but when it refused the food she gave it, she decided to ignore it and go home. But the dog wouldn't let her go and kept barking and following her. The dog was finally able to get her attention by fleeing with her bag, and when she followed it to the other side of the car, she discovered what the dog had been trying to tell her all along. Turns out there were two puppies under her car that would have been seriously hurt if she had driven away. The woman was very happy as she didn't hurt the puppies and she took them with her. The dog's action saved the puppies and found them a new home, and if you love dogs, subscribe.